Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a goth cracked doll type makeup look. So I'm going to start off kind of outlining in black liner like a cracked section. And then I'm going to go in and fill in the rest of my face with Mehron Cream Stick Blend in Moonlight White. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna set that all in with a white powder. Okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna go back to that black liner I was using and I'm gonna outline some more cracked sections. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a black and fill in some of those sections. This is a water activated black, so I'm just kind of mixing water in it and going to paint it on. I'm going to go in with a grayish eyeshadow and add shading around all the lines and black parts. I'm going to go back in with liquid liner and try to sharpen some of these fine lines. I'm also going to do some eyeliner around my eyes. Now for the lips, I'm just gonna do a black lip. I'm gonna add some more thinner lines to get more of that cracked look. I think I'm gonna add some gray shadow to my nose too. Just adding a bit here and there. So I kind of want to be like oozing black from my mouth. And I have these black little capsules that I haven't tried yet that I'm gonna bite into and see how black and gooey I can get this. That's really black. Just like spreading it out and seeing what I can do. That's freaking sick. You know, it's cool because this stuff doesn't taste as bad as I would have thought too. Like, oops. I feel like the blood capsules always taste weird, the red ones. But this one, I wouldn't say it tastes good, but it's not bad. Okay, now I'm debating what to do with my eyes. I'm either gonna do black eye blood, have dripping with that, which I think could be cool, or I'm gonna do some sort of white contacts or something. But you know, I think I'm gonna go with the black eye blood. I think it could be really cool with this going on and some black eye blood too. I think I'm gonna try it. Okay, definitely need more than that. I think I'm gonna get a mirror. I think that's what I need, a different mirror. Okay, let's try this again. Oh yeah. I look crazy in the best way. Okay, let's do the other eye. Okay. I think it all just came together. I am feeling it. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a bit more eye blood and well, yeah, why not? That looks crazy. I don't know why it's like on this tooth only. Well, I think I'm gonna do a capsule and more eye blood at the same time just to get it like really boom, you know? Okay. Wow. There we go. Again with this tooth, I don't know what's happening. Anyway, I think that is all for this look. This goth possessed cracked doll, whatever it is, makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye guys.